Notes Oracle DB YouTube channel. So this is a quick video about Pgbouncer query wait time out issue. So what exactly happened? So we had a new setup with the client. So the client was using a Ikari pool. So in that Ikari pool, using in that application side, which is connecting to the Pgbouncer. Through the Pgbouncer, all the connections has been handled from the database perspective. So when the client was performing a high load, so at the time that Ikari pool max connection was 120. So it exhausted all the limits, and we can see a lot of connection with the errors, says query timeout errors in the Pgbouncer logs. So why these particular things was occurring? So when I started troubleshooting the Pgbouncer configuration and parameter, the customer set a pool mode into session. So we know very well, when you set a session pool mode, so until unless the session could exit, then only that connection will be disconnected. But here the customer scenario, most of the queries are moving into the idle state. So because of that, it uses the maximum connections, so that all the queries, when they are performing, the query wait timeout error occurs. And also we notice that their max connections around 250 only, but unfortunately that idle connections were almost 600 plus. That max client connection also, it is nearly around 225 only, and the default pool size also around 20 only. So how we fixed, in the sense, the first thing, we made a change into pool mode into transactional mode. So because here the customer scenario, they were using highly transactional, so that we made a change into transaction. And also, as per the documentation, we fine tuned that max client connection into 1000. After that, we made a change of default pool size, because their Ikari pool was highly utilized, so that we tune into up to 200. So once we made the changes, we restart the server. So after we were monitoring almost 30 minutes, that error is not occurred.